Hello friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. You are looking with me on 2004 Chevy Trailblazer. This one is the LT with the two-wheel drive, and I'm doing complete service on the automatic transmission. Probably remember from different videos I did other stuff. I found out the tranny fluid was really bad. It wasn't nice and red as the Dexron 3 is supposed to be, right? This one is using the Dexron 3, which is a red fluid, obviously, as we know, right? So it was really bad shape. I decided to drop the pan, right, to go all the way. So here you can see the pan, you can see the shape. This is being considered a deep pan. You see the magnet inside. This is brand new rubber gasket. There is a brand new filter with it, like a gasket, right? That fits actually inside of the transmission and goes around this place like that. So this needs to be replaced. This is basically the part from the Vicks. It all came from the O'Reilly Auto Parts. And obviously you want to see the body, the valve body, right, with the solenoids and everything, obviously. So I put the light here for you. You can have detailed view. I cannot go directly underneath. The drip will go on the lens. That's not acceptable for me, but I hope this gives you some idea, right, what you are looking at. It was pretty easy to drop the pan. There was nothing in the way. There's a lot of these bolts. It's a 13 millimeter. I don't know how many they are, but many. Well, anyway, that's all from me. Just give you idea if you are deciding to do this job, right? Here is the dipstick and the top of it, right? If you are deciding to do this job, it's not so bad. If you have access underneath the vehicle, I will say relatively easy service. Thanks for watching and be subscribed. Way more videos coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.